The Self-Issue Permits program allows certified carriers to issue their own single-trip over-dimension permits without prior analysis by ODOT staff. This video covers routing considerations for height. This video has several references to Route Map 2 and Route Map 3, and separate videos are available on the use of those maps. Also, in the examples mentioned later in this video, the height information was accurate at the time this video was made. Some things to consider when routing for height. Is the load a single, non-divisible item? Legal height in Oregon is 14 feet 0 inches. Items cannot be stacked on top of each other and be over height. Check Appendix A of the Self-Issue Permits Program Manual for height restrictions under 15 feet 0 inches. This information is only available to carriers that are certified in the Self-Issue Permits Program. Check Route Map 3 for height restrictions under 14 feet 6 inches on major freight routes. This map is included with our annual permit for up to 14 feet 6 inches in height and may help when routing up to that height. A front pilot vehicle with height pole is required when over 14 feet 6 inches in height unless a height declaration is on file. This declaration means that a front pilot vehicle is not required for height alone. The Self-Issue Permits Program application will automatically require a front pilot vehicle with a height pole if a declaration is not on file. All heights provided by ODOT are with a 4-inch buffer. For example, if the height provided in a given lane under a given structure is 14 feet 10 inches in height, the real height is 15 feet 2 inches. Loads cannot be routed into the height buffer. To mitigate for vertical clearance issues, the following terminology may be used on permits. Up and over. This means take an exit, proceed through a traffic control device, stop sign or stoplight, and re-enter the highway. As an example, let's look at US 26 in the Hillsborough area west of Portland, crossing under Glencoe Road. If the height of the load is too high to stay on US 26 main line, the load should be routed to go up and over Glencoe Road exit 57. Lane assignment. If not enough clearance is available in a given lane, the high load may be required to use another lane to pass under the structure. For this example, let's look at I-5 northbound at milepost 297.55, a few miles south of downtown Portland. At the time this video was made, the maximum vertical clearance in the right lane under this structure is 14 feet 10 inches. More height is available in the other lanes, so the load should be routed to use the center lane when crossing under this structure. Keep in mind that vertical clearance may be restricted on exit and entrance lanes, as well as the roads under major highways. Straddle the center line. On a 2-lane highway, additional vertical clearance may be available by straddling the center line across the structure, depending on the width and height of the load. Oncoming and trailing traffic must be stopped using certified flaggers, and the certified flagger information is required to be selected within the self-issue permit application. As an example of this, let's look at the Rogue River Bridge on Oregon 234, milepost 16.01 north of Medford. At the time this video was made, the maximum vertical clearance in each lane of travel is 14 feet 10 inches. The load can straddle the center line to get additional height. When this is permitted, include that the driver must stop traffic and straddle center line across the structure. The asterisk references the certified flagger information within the application. Certified rolling stop. Depending on the width and height, a load may be able to straddle the center line at the 18 star locations on Route Map 2. At those locations, the certified rolling stop method can be used in place of certified flaggers to control oncoming and trailing traffic. Again, refer to our video on Route Map 2 for additional information about this.